How to schedule a message on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. You will then be brought to the All Shortcuts page. Here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Automation in the middle. Tap on New Automation. Then, go to Time of Day, and here, you can choose when you want to run the automation. Then scroll down to the Repeat section and choose how often you want the automation to run. You can also choose the starting date over here. Then choose whether you want it to run after confirmation or immediately. For example, if you choose a certain date and you want it to repeat monthly, then the automation will repeat on that specified date every month. After that, tap on Next at the top right corner. In this page, tap on New Blank Automation under the Get Started section. Here, search for WhatsApp in the search bar. Then tap on Send Message as shown. Now tap on Message to type in the message you want to send. Then tap on Recipients to choose the contacts you want to send the message to. After selecting the recipients, tap on Done at the top right corner. Your automation has now been created successfully. Now go back to your main menu and open up the WhatsApp application. In the Chats page, open the chat of any one of the recipients you previously chose. Check to see if the scheduled message has been sent. Following these steps, you can easily schedule a message on WhatsApp.